Before the opening bell, the SP 500 and NASDAQ closing at all-time highs on Wednesday, lifted by shares in semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, telecommunication services, and banking sectors. On the economic docket, the market, U.S. manufacturing PMI index dropping to 50 in July from 50.6 in June. New home sales rising to an annualized rate of 646,000 in June, all while 70% of SP 500 constituents traded higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Tesla reporting second quarter adjusted LPS of $1.12 versus $3.06 the previous year on revenue of $6.35 billion. Facebook unveiling second quarter EPS of $1.99 versus $1.74 a year ago on sales of $16.89 billion, while PayPal reported second quarter adjusted EPS of 86 cents versus 54 cents a year ago on net revenue of $4.31 billion. And Ford reporting second quarter adjusted EPS of 28 cents from 27 cents a year ago on automotive return of $35.76 billion. Now turning overseas, Asian markets mostly higher today. The Nikkei rising 0.22%, the Hang Seng up 0.25%, China CSI 300 up 0.82%, and South Korea's Kospi down 0.38%. European markets mixed, and U.S. futures call for a consolidation at the open. Now, in terms of expectations today, we have Amazon.com, Comcast, Alphabet, Intel, and Starbucks all due out, while on the economic docket, 8:30 in the morning, we have the June durable goods orders. We also have wholesale inventories, initial and continuing jobless claims figures, and the June goods trade balance. Now, taking a look at the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin, and that looks for 3041, and that's in focus as the relative strength index is bullish and calls for further advance. Long positions above 3012.50 are favored with targets at 3033 and 3041 in extension. The NASDAQ, meanwhile, sees a bullish bias above 79.95, while the Dow Jones expects 27,390.